how important is the ecosystem for a successful implementation of AI solutions in the insurance companies?
It's essential, is my simple answer, because I think this insurance is a team sport. Insurance is there to support other organizations. So if you bring all these back together again, the ecosystem and the efficient orchestration of that ecosystem for me is absolutely critical to bring together all the right participants, people, minds, capability, insights to get to the right outcome that you want. We've never done anything really on our own. If you look at the insurance value chain in itself, from capital through to customer, there are many, many mouths and people to feed, but many participants that underwrite or share or spread it all out accordingly. The more efficient we can make that and the more engaged everyone is together, I think we've got a better chance of success. I don't think this is something that we can do on our own.
What should be at the center of a comprehensive AI strategy for an insurer, so for our audience?
A change of mentality might be on exploring new opportunities on new models. I mean, not try to fit everything to the traditional statistical models. I see that is happening. Some insurers, even in the local market, we see insurers having data labs right now, trying to explore which type of data we have already in our system that we can exploit and try to run new projects. That's the mentality change that we need, I think. Try to see where is the data, maybe we already have it, claims data or market data, etc., and support the actuaries to use these models, these new models, and try to set up joint products.
So data is at the core of everything again. So, but one of the challenges for an insurer is that they build their systems sometimes for 100 years, right? One on top of the other, so the data might not be in the same place. So one of the big challenge to start with is to give access to all this data to make it work together in order for the actuaries to actually do something with the data cross products, say. And so the data, okay, the data is central, and then we need teams that are able to actually build a deep understanding of all those AI related technologies, maybe build their in-house methods and strategies so they can differentiate themselves from the other insurers, and develop easy ways to access all those smart computations like APIs and things like that.
For me, it's I'm going to step away from the technology for a second. I'm going to say ambition, vision, operating model, and permission. And when I say ambition and vision, here I'm talking about, are we doing something in the weeds that is business as usual, just faster? It's evolutionary rather than revolutionary. And you can go through multiple stages. You can go through commodity things that are just procedural, things that have a track record of dealing with similar problems, or actually what is truly evolutionary that we could do in our market. So I think the ambition and vision is really important at the outset, number one. Number two, the permission is really important as well. Have people got the permission to, or freedom to roam, to explore, to try different things as described earlier? And that's really important. And then finally, the operating model. Are we geared up correctly? You know, how many times did we walk into the buildings of old where on one side it was one team, on another side it was another team, but actually imagine what happened if you brought them all together and actually put I always talk about falling in love with the problem. Do we know what we're trying to solve? Back to the ambition and vision. So if we brought people together in a completely different way, would it actually give the ability to get to the outcome faster? And the outcome could be, we tried that, it didn't work.